Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson at the adventures of Toto. In our previous session, we came to know that grandfather carried little monkey Toto with him in his trip to Sehranpur. That time ticket collector saw the monkey and he told grandfather to pay for carrying that monkey, because according to ticket collector that was equals to dog. But grandfather made argument that the monkey was not equal to dog, but his argument became waste. At last he had to pay 3 rupees. Now let us continue the lesson. Then grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his pocket our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" Then grandfather, just to get his own bag means to take revenge on ticket collector, or to prove that ticket collector was wrong, he took out the pet tortoise from his pocket and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals? What must I pay for this tortoise, since you charge for all the animals?" He asked to the ticket collector. The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise. Then ticket collector looked at that tortoise closely and prodded it with his forefingers. He touched. Prodded means touched the tortoise with his forefinger. Gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look. After that, he gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look. Triumphant means victorious or winning. I have won. Like that feeling was there in that look. He gave that triumphant look and said, "No charge. It is not a dog. There is no charge for this tortoise because it is not equal to dog." Okay. Like that he said. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. Yes, at last this monkey was accepted by grandmother, and he was given a comfortable home in the stable. This monkey was given comfortable place in the stable. Stable means a building set apart and adapted for keeping horse or other animals. Okay, shelter for animals. Building beside the house that is made for the shelter of animals. Okay. So this monkey was given a place in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana, and in that stable this monkey had a companion, that was family donkey Nana. Name of that donkey was Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. On the first night, Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid a visit to see if Toto was comfortable in the stable. To his surprise, he found Nana, without apparent cause, pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. See here, then grandfather saw a surprising thing. See here, To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause. Apparent means clear or visible cause, without any proper reason. Nana pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from the bundle of hay. Nana was pulling her halter. Halter means, say, a rope or strap placed around the head of a horse or other animal used for leading or tethering it. Okay. So, one side bundle of hay was kept. Instead of pushing its head towards the bundle of hay, Nana was pulling its head in the another direction. Okay, in the opposite direction. It was surprising for grandfather because donkey usually it pushes its head towards bundle of hay, but at that moment he saw the donkey was pushing its head in the opposite direction. Okay. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches. Then grandfather gave a slap means hit, across her haunches. Haunches means a part of body between rib and tail. In that part he bet. He gave a slap to the donkey. And she jerked back. Then suddenly she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. When she jerked back, she dragged Toto with her. He had fastened onto her long ears with his sharp little teeth. He had fastened. Fastened means attached or fixed to her long ears with his sharp little teeth. Actually, he was biting the ear of Nana and he was pulling her towards him. That's why her head was moving away from the bundle of hay. It means he was giving torture. This monkey, Toto, was giving torture to that donkey, Nana. Okay. Toto and Nana never became friends. After that also they stayed in the same stable, but they never became friends. Toto and Nana, they never became friends. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.